When working with PowerPoint 365, have you ever noticed that when you click on a chart, a new tab appears? This tab is called Chart Design, and it only becomes visible when a chart is selected on your slide. In this video, we will clearly explain why this Chart Design tab appears and what you can do with it. This tab is specific to working with charts, and it offers a range of options to help you customize your visual data presentation. Once you select a chart, the Chart Design tab allows you to change the style of the chart according to your preferences or based on how you want to present the data. You can experiment with different chart types to find the one that best communicates your information. In addition to changing the chart type, you can also modify the color scheme of the entire chart. This lets you match your chart's design to the theme of your presentation or make it easier for your audience to understand the information. If you click anywhere outside the chart, you'll notice that the Chart Design tab disappears. This is because PowerPoint hides context-specific tools when they are not in use. To bring it back, simply click on the chart again and the Chart Design tab will reappear, allowing you to continue making adjustments. Understanding how to use this temporary tab is essential for creating clear, attractive, and effective charts in PowerPoint 365. It gives you control over both the style and the visual impact of your data. That's the complete explanation of why the Chart Design tab appears when you insert a chart in PowerPoint and how you can use it to enhance your presentations.